Alright, so that's finished from last night. Nice and dry. So that'll, it's pretty much good. I just gotta hit the little, you know, spots with the brush. So this is gonna be today's project. Try to work on this and get it looking halfway decent, and get a coat on here. I got a lot of laser engraving I gotta do too before I leave, so we'll work it out one way or another and see what we can take care of. First step, you see this corner running right down through here. So that part's messed up, so we gotta try to make that look better. And then this is sharp, and then you got some splinters and stuff. So we're gonna try to run the sander down it, put a little bit of a 45 on there, make it a little more comfortable when you lean up against it doing stuff too.
I change the stuff in my pockets before I even take the pants off. Always have the exact same thing at the exact same places.
Alright, so we rounded some edges. So they're already sharp. Better to work on and do things with. Got a little bit of goop off there. That's probably going to look a little weird after I shellac it or whatever. It's my stuff. It don't matter. So yeah, so ready to be painted. So they see my belly, and then they see your belly.
Too much better.
All right, first coat is down. It is on there. So we're gonna let that dry. I was gonna do a second coat, but now I have an idea that I am bouncing around in my head, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna put a second coat on there or if I'm going to do what I'm thinking about. So time will tell. So stick around and we'll see y'all next time.